What you say? Huh? What you say? Bantu knot takedown. Yeah. So I have had my hair in these Bantu knots for 2 days straight. I wash, blow dry, Bantu knot with a little bit of mousse just on the ends. And I wrap them the long way with rubber bands. So I'm going to be showing me taking this down and my results. Okay. Let's get into it. I'll take this down first. And try to do this with grace so that you don't rip your hair out, okay? It's not a go fast contest. And if you want to, you can put oil on your hands, but I think I'm going to spray my hair with oil sheen once I finish. So that's the first one. Look at the definition. So cute. I should have. Okay, we have all of the Bantu knots out, and now we're ready to separate our curls. We're going to start at the back and move our way to the front. Now, all I'm doing is pulling them apart. Now, if you don't like fluff, you might want to oil your hands. I like fluff, and I like volume over definition. People that, I feel like with Bantu knots, people that like definition, you should do the braid method over Bantu knots, because I feel like when you braid your hair while it's wet and let it dry, it gives you more definition and that stuck together wave look. Like Bantu knots is going to give you some fluff, gufficus, like really fluffy, bouncy. And the more you pull them apart, the bigger it gets. Like, look how pretty that is, fluffy. So pretty, so fluffy. And I did them this smaller size because most of the time when I do them bigger and it's more like a fluffier, bouncier, volumized curl. But when you do them small, they look like small little Shirley Temple curls. And I feel like they last longer when they're smaller too. I'm going to take a, see, and we're just going to puff those roots out to get those parts broken up, okay? We don't want it to look like a parted mess. These are the curls without me stretching them. I am going to stretch them a little. Y'all know how I get down. You can stop here if that's what you want to do. I'm going in for more. I'm going to stretch them out with my blow dryer and make it even more round and more fluffy and more length. This is my curls after I stretched it out a little bit. I fluffed it out a little bit more, and I'm very satisfied with my results. I'm going to spray these little doohickeys with some, I don't be knowing what it look like in the back, and I really don't be caring, but I'm going to spray with some oil shine. Hopefully it don't drip on my shirt. Yes, I still use oil shine. This is my curls after I stretched it out a little bit. I fluffed it out a little bit more, and I'm very satisfied with my results. I'm going to spray these little doohickeys with some, I don't be knowing what it look like in the back, and I really don't be caring, but I'm going to spray with some oil shine. Hopefully it don't drip on my shirt. Yes, I still use oil shine. Bantu knot takedown. Yes. You can thank me later.